South Africa's Cowrie cryptocurrency is globally revolutionary. It has a money-back guarantee for South Africans who invest in the ICO and the new issuances which are released on Mandela Day every year. This means that if South Africans buy and hold the currency, they can only win. The Cowrie is conceived by the need to give South Africans the advantage. South African ICO buyers are given special benefits including the money-back guarantee rewards of up to 15% per annum in Cowrie for those who hold the currency, and in addition, every year 30% of the Cowrie are released to a trust which has been set up to uplift disadvantaged communities, and South African investors in the ICO get to influence which communities are to be uplifted by the Cowrie's trust allocation. The Cowrie ensures reduced price volatility by the slow release of Cowrie over 27 years, the money-back guarantee, offering rewards of up to 15% for holding the Cowrie, and buyers are limited to a maximum of R1 million purchase in the VIP sales offering, which limits the possibility of a whale pump and dump. For more information, please visit www.mycowrie.org.